Today we are going to see an example of real life on how to uh, price a specific product. So we have the cost, a margin, this is a percentage tax, and an optional discount. The first step that you need to take is declare a new variable, use the cost, this one, use this cost, and this is a mathematical uh, calculation, and with that you will have this one, the price after margin. This one comes from here, tax 20, and after that you add to the price with margin a tax. Almost everything that we buy has a tax. And after that, you can apply to that product a specific discount with that percentage, or that can be a fixed amount. It depends. Well, let's see. Let's going to run the code and see how it works. Just 1 second, because okay, now it's running well. And we're going to see the outcome of each. As I told you, this is 20 because it's the cost that we see at the beginning of the exercise. The price with the margin, we add a margin. After that we add some taxes, and we can apply a discount, but that's optional and it depends on the product. That's it.